Hello everyone, on today's tutorial we're going to be working on these adorable Pop-Tart plushies. They're so cute and really good sellers at markets and very easy to make. The supplies that you will need are a 6mm crochet hook, a stitch marker, yarn needle, a pair of scissors, safety eyes, and of course your yarn. And I am using the Demi Pearl Loops and Threads yarn. We're going to start off by chaining 10 and keep your chain nice and loose. Now for our row, we're going to skip this stitch, and in the second stitch continue down the row, so we should have 9 stitches. And to start our third row, we're going to chain 1. We're going to turn our work and continue back down the row. This will be our third row. So row 3 through 13 is going to be a repeat of this. I'll meet you back here at the end of row 13. Okay, we're back at the end of row 13. We're just going to fasten off our work. And weave in our tails. I usually go about 3 or 4 stitches back. Now we're going to give this little guy some eyes. I'm using 12mm safety eyes. So we'll stick one in here, and you do whatever you think looks best for your project. Let's see. Okay. And I'm just going to use some white yarn here to make some, we'll say, sprinkles. So I'm just going to weave a few. Just spread them out and just put them wherever you think looks best. There's so many different options that you can use for making these Pop-Tarts. More down here. And we'll just cut our yarn and tie our ends together here. And the last thing, we want to embroider on a little mouth. So I have some black cotton here. I'm just going to use my yarn needle and place a little mouth here between the eyes. There we go. And I'm just going to put a little knot here. And there you have it. Now for the back and the sides of the Pop-Tart, we're going to chain 13. Now we're going to work in our second loop. We'll work back. This will give you 12 stitches. And just continue on until you get to 15 rows. So I'll meet you back here at the end of the 15th row. Now you should have a back piece that is slightly larger than the front. So what we need to do next is leave a long tail, probably about 2 feet, just so we can sew on our front and back pieces together. So we can weave in our tail on this end. And now for our long tail. I'm going to use the yarn needle and just sew our work together. So just line everything up. Don't worry about tugging your ends in. You can do that as you go. Just line everything up and start to sew together. And just work your way all the way around your piece. I should also mention that I use a piece of a fabric softener sheet and place this behind the eyes, just so the back of the safety eyes don't pop out through the back. So I just place it in here like this, and that way the eyes don't pop out through the back. And I'll just tuck this in here and continue on sewing. And there you have it, a quick and easy crochet project. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My next video will be a crochet dumpling and steamer. Thanks for watching.